Hi everyone, Kennedy here from Our Friendly World, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet the double crochet stitch. Let's jump right in. I'm going to be working my double crochet into a foundation chain, but the same technique applies for if you are working in the round. So I'm going to be working my double crochet into the fourth chain from my hook, but you'll be working your stitch wherever your pattern designates. To create the double crochet, you are going to yarn over, insert the hook into the designated chain or stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, and now you should have 3 loops on the hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through only the first 2 loops on the hook. Now you should have 2 loops left, and you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. And that is how you create a double crochet. Let's do that again. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through only 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops. And that is how you create a double crochet. You can see that this stitch is nice and tall, but since it is so tall, it does start to get some gaps in between those stitches. So it does make a nice tall row, but it doesn't make the tightest weave for your fabric. The turning chain for a double crochet is typically 3 chains, so when you make it to the end of your row, you're going to chain 3, flip your piece over, and then working in that first stitch, you'll create your same double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through those final 2 loops. And that is how you create the double crochet stitch. And this is what a finished swatch of all double crochet stitches will look like. For more crochet tutorials and to learn how to make other stitches such as these, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching!